To get started creating your Solid Source real estate account, go to www.expressdocs.com/solidsource. You can log into your existing account by inputting your username, which will be your email address, and your password, then selecting Login. If this is your first time accessing the print portal, you will need to register an account. You can do this by selecting the Create an Account button. You will need to add some basic account information, including your name, email address, password, which must be at least 8 characters and include a number, and finally, your phone number. For the zip code, enter 30075. You will also need to select and answer 2 security questions. These are the questions you will be asked if you ever forget your password and need to reset it. Next, you will need to select your brand. Depending on if you're a board member or a non-board member, your selection will be highlighted. Finally, confirm that everything on your screen looks correct. Congratulations! Your account is set up and ready to go. You can now begin creating Solid Source real estate marketing collateral.